Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to sound like Ghostface using ElevenLabs or any other voice. So come here once you're logged in. I'll leave a link in the description. So you see voices right here, click on the plus icon, okay? And then click on instant voice clone. You just need 10 seconds of audio minimum. So I just got the audio from YouTube. I downloaded it. Well, let's not question my audio sources. But I have the audio, and we're just gonna drag and drop this right here, okay, to ElevenLabs. Make sure this is toggled on. Remove background noise from audio recordings. Go ahead and click on next. And from this next section, we're gonna put in the language, a name, and a description as well. Okay. All right. So I put in the name, the language. You just choose English. You can add a description. Go ahead and toggle this one on. And then click on Save Voice. From here, we're going to go ahead and click on Generate Speech, and we're going to give it some text. All right, so that is the text we're going to give it. The voice is right there. Model, speed, keep it at 1. Stability, put it about 50%. Okay, similarity, 75%, unless you have too much text to read, then keep the similarity higher. And increase the stability as well. So exaggeration, I'll leave it at none. Speaker boost, toggle this one on. Let's see what it will sound like. Will it do Ghostface? Let's see. Okay. All right, it's done. Let's see.
ElevenLabs. Ghostface here, just testing your voice tech. No screams, no games, just talk. Let's see how real you can sound.
Oh my god, you should see my face right now, guys. Go check out that link in the description. Wow. Check out the link in the description.